Okay,
Hold on.
here it goes. I'm scared. Okay, just showing the sides. Okay. Here's the other side. Okay. I love this one. It's just, it's perfect. Nice job, Michael. Nice job, Laura. And last one, before I open this thing. Sorry, my heart is pounding right now. I've wanted this for years. Okay, here it goes. Okay, compose yourself. Okay. I hope I'm opening it on the right side, because I'm terrified. That's taking too long. Okay, you know what? No, I don't want to use that thing. It's going to break. Or get broken. Or whatever it's called. Okay, here we go. That didn't work. Come on. There we go. But yeah, Laura, I love the art. And Michael, if you did yours, I just have to say the art is perfect. Okay, here it goes. Yes, my heart is racing. Alright, other side. Okay, here comes the heart attack. Take a breath, Liz. Don't die now. Let's do the paws first. Look at him. Hello, hello, everybody. Hello. The nails are perfect. Squish. Okay, where's the other one? Okay, they put the head in first in the thingy. Yeah, so I can have the best part for last, where I have a heart attack with awesomeness. Okay, let's put these down. Ooh. Let's do the tail next. Okay. Look at this thing. It's a big tail. It's so floofy. Squishy and floofy. I'm freaking out. Okay, I'm freaking out. So amazing. So bored. I haven't even seen the head yet. This box is killing me. Come on, go down. Okay. 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 Let's try the feet. I love this so much. It's so perfect. You have no idea. Okay. Okay, let's get some these. Okay. I'll have to figure out how to put these on eventually. I'll figure it out. Fursuiter problems, right? Figure it out. I'll figure it out. Okay. The final piece. This is the part I'm gonna have a heart attack with before I can even open it. Just try to put these in here for a moment, so. I'm scared. Oh, I love that badge. Look at the badge. Looks so perfect. Okay. Okay, I need to breathe. Oh, it's so perfect. Oh my god. I haven't tried it on yet, Mom.
Okay, I have to
Go, I'll be out there.
well, I've got to run to the appointment.
Alright, see you later.
Okay. Right after we'll come back.
Look at it. It is perfect.
Oh my god, I love it.
You're gonna have to look at this later, Mom. I love those eyes. They move. They work. Okay. I gotta try this on now. Okay. Breathe, Liz. Breathe. It's hard to breathe when you're so excited. Alright. Alright. Let's try to breathe. It's so perfect. Oh my god. Laura, you did amazing. Thank you, Michael. So perfect. Okay, I'm gonna go look in a mirror. But this is perfect. You're amazing. You're amazing. You're amazing. Yeah. I'll show you the next video when I get in the mirror.